In this video, we can learn how to take the remote desktop of Linux machine from Windows, or how to take the remote desktop of Ubuntu from Windows machine. For that, first we need to install the xrdp in Ubuntu machine. For that, we need to go the Windows machine and type sudo apt install xrdp. For that, I am taking the machine and entering sudo apt install xrdp. Press enter. Now it's asking the password. Admin 123. You should enter your password here and press enter. Do you want to continue? Click on yes. Enter. Now it's working. It will take it some more time, so I am just pausing the video. Now the xrdp installation is completed. Now we need to enable the xrdp. For that, we need to type sudo systemctl enable xrdp. Sudo systemctl enable xrdp. Okay, now we need to check the IP address of our Ubuntu machine. For that, just click on show applications and search for the terminal. Click on terminal. Now we need to enter the ifconfig command, ifconfig, to view the IP address of this Ubuntu machine. Okay, now we can see that the IP address is 192.168.5.129. Just copying that. Okay, I already hit here. Okay. Now we need to check the connectivity of our Windows machine to this Ubuntu machine. For that, I am going to my Windows machine. Just right click on this start menu and selecting run. In that, I am entering cmd. Click on OK. Now I need to just enter ping and enter the IP address of this Ubuntu machine, 192.168.5.129. Okay, now we can see that we are getting the ping reply, which means that the connectivity between my Windows computer and Ubuntu machine is okay. Connectivity, there is a connectivity. So now we can take the remote desktop from Windows machine. For that, I am again going to Windows machine and just search for remote desktop remote desktop connection. Okay, here we need to enter the IP address of Ubuntu machine. I am already it is there already. So before taking the remote desktop, for getting a proper result, we should initially, it is good to log out from our Ubuntu machine. For that, just click on here and click on log out. Click on log out. Okay. Now just enter the IP address of Ubuntu machine from Ubuntu machine in Windows machine and click on connect. Click on yes. Now it's asking the username of Ubuntu user. Just enter your username and password. In my case, I am entering my username is MC and I am entering my password. Click on OK. Now we can see that authentication is required. It already shows that the username is MC. We need to enter the password of that user. Okay, now we can see that it's a remote desktop of our Ubuntu machine. From where we took it? We took it from our Windows machine. Likewise, you can do in your case. Thank you.